have a record of it in your mind that how we had drafted it. Now, what is our requirement? Our requirement is to draft a hexagon with this format. हमें इस फॉर्मेट में हेक्सागन चाहिए. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll be taking, we had already drafted this line, we want it like this. So what are we going to do? We are going to keep the same radius on compass, and we'll be plotting two arcs from this horizontal reference what we had created. Okay, so this is going to be the corner, this is going to be the corner, and these two are going to be the other corners which will represent the parallel edge. ओके, तो यहाँ से आर्क लगा है दोनों साइड से. वैसे ही हम लोग क्या करेंगे? आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस एंड पॉइंट ऑल्सो of the horizontal references what we have created, and will be dropping arcs again, and after plotting those arcs I'll be going to draft the hexagon. तो hexagon हमें कैसे draft करना है? I have to match
Sir,
these intersection points. So now I am completing the hexagon. Now after drafting whole hexagon, what you should do, you should remove the outer circle, okay, or you should keep it somewhat, keep your plane somewhat darker and that circle somewhat lighter. लाइट करिएगा तो आपका जो ड्राफ्ट है वो एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही दिखेगा वैसा आपको डिमांड किया हुआ है. अब अगर हेक्सागोनल प्लेट है तो उसके हर एक कॉर्नर को नाम भी देना होगा, नोटेशन देना होगा. सो आई विल बी नोटिंग इट लाइक दिस: ए, बी, सी, डी, ई एंड एफ. Okay, so all corners are noted over here. Now what should I do? I should transfer all these point positions on the reference, because when I will tilt this fundamental, अगर मैं इस प्लेन को मैं टिल्ट करूंगा तो या फिर उसके प्रोजेक्शंस को अगर मैं वर्टिकल प्लेन पे देखने जाऊंगा तो इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ लाइन ऑन योर रेफरेंस, बिकॉज प्लेन इज रेस्टिंग ऑन एचपी. तो रेफरेंस लाइन पे हमें एक रेफरेंस एज मिलेगा जिसपे ये सारे 6 पॉइंट्स इंडिकेट होंगे. कैसे होते हैं चलो देखते हैं. सो व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू डू? वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रांसफर ऑल दिस पॉइंट पोजीशंस ओवर हियर. डी को यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर कर दिया. C and E are going to be on same position, so I'll be transferring it over here. वैसे जैसे C और E एक लाइन पे हैं वैसे ही B और F भी एक ही straight vertical line पे मिलेंगे. So it is going to be positioned over here and A is going to be positioned over here. तो जैसे हमने आगे प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ लाइन में सीखा है वैसे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? वी आर गोइंग टू नोट दोज पोजीशंस ओवर हियर. तो ये जो पॉइंट है that is achieved by transferring the projection of A in the reference. So this point is going to be called A dash. वैसे ही B और F दोनों का ट्रांसफर करते हैं प्रोजेक्शन तो यहाँ पे मिलता है तो वी विल बी गोइंग टू कॉल इट एज B डैश F डैश. वैसे ही C और E का प्रोजेक्शन ट्रांसफर हुआ तो हमें यहाँ पे मिल रहा है C डैश E डैश, और D का प्रोजेक्शन ट्रांसफर हुआ सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी D डैश. तो ये जो है वो हमारे प्लेन का हो गया फ्रंट व्यू स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम A डैश टू D डैश. ठीक है, अब हमें उस प्लेन को इंक्लाइन करना है 30 डिग्रीज पे. तो वो जो इंक्लिनेशन है वो विजिबल कहाँ पे हो जाता है? यू कैन से व्हेन एवर प्लेन इज इंक्लाइन टू हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन दैट इंक्लिनेशन इज गोइंग टू बी विजिबल लाइक दिस. ऐसे विजुलाइज होगा. अगर वो लाइन स्टेट में है तो इट इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक दिस जैसे यहाँ पे था. अब वो इंक्लाइन होगा सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी विजिबल लाइक दिस. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? विल बी टेकिंग सेम रेफरेंस डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ए डैश टू डी डैश. ओके, ये हमने डिस्टेंस मेजर करके कंपास पे रख दिया. नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू पोजीशन अ पॉइंट ओवर हियर समवट एट समवट डिस्टेंस and naming it as A dash. Same A dash is positioned over here. Now I am going to take 30 degrees of angle over here, and with reference to that 30 degrees of angle I'll be dropping a line. एक लाइन स्केच करूंगा. उस लाइन का लेंथ कितना होना चाहिए? इट शुड बी इक्वल टू द लेंथ ऑफ फ्रंट व्यू व्हाट वी हैड मेजर्ड फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट प्लेसमेंट. तो मैं यहाँ से उतने ही डायमेंशंस का आर्क लगाऊंगा जितना डायमेंशन मुझे फ्रंट व्यू में मिल रहा है। तो ये जो एंड पॉइंट हमें मिला, दैट पॉइंट इज गोइंग टू बी डी डैश। If you want other points, then you can do transfer of point position like this. यहाँ से आप point को transfer कर सकते हो. Right now, what arc I have taken? A dash to C dash E dash. I'll be positioning my pointer over here. I'll be making an arc and defining that point as a C dash E dash. In similar manner, I'll be taking an arc over here up to B dash F dash. So A dash is going to be my reference, B dash F dash up to B dash F dash. I am taking the compass dimension and I am drafting it over here, B dash F dash. So now all the point positions which are available in the front view are transferred at the angle of 30 degrees over here. What is the angle? It is 30 degrees. Now what should I do? I should transfer all the projections in the top view. तो मैं अब क्या करूँगा, फ्रंट व्यू में जो अलाइन मेंबर्स हमें मिल रहे हैं उनके प्रोजेक्शंस को नीचे ट्रांसफर करूँगा. देखिए, दिस इज द प्रोजेक्शन ट्रांसफर व्हाट वी टेक. आई एम ड्राफ्टिंग स्ट्रेट वर्टिकल लाइंस टू ट्रांसफर दोज प्रोजेक्शंस. अब मैंने फ्रंट व्यू से सारे प्रोजेक्शंस नीचे ट्रांसफर कर ली. इन सिमिलर मैनर आई हैव टू गो फॉर प्रोजेक्शन ट्रांसफर हॉरिजॉन्टली. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रांसफर प्रोजेक्शंस फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो. ठीक है, यहाँ से भी मैं प्रोजेक्शंस को ट्रांसफर कर रहा हूँ. सो ओवर हियर आई नीड टू टेक केयर अबाउट सर्टेन फैक्टर्स. कितने कौन से फैक्टर्स का ध्यान रखना है, कौन सा पॉइंट जो है वो कौन से पोजीशन तक एक्सटेंड हो रहा है, दैट आई हैव टू टेक केयर. So what I had done, I had transfer all projections. Now I have to match those projections. So what I am going to do, I am going to match A dash projection with the A's projections. तो A dash का वर्टिकल प्रोजेक्शन जो ट्रांसफर है और A का हॉरिजॉन्टल जो ट्रांसफर है, उन दोनों को मैच करके मैं इस पॉइंट को A बोल दूंगा. वैसे ही मुझे B पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाई करना है, तो यहाँ पे जो B डैश का प्रोजेक्शन ट्रांसफर हो रहा है उसे मैं देखूंगा. यहाँ पे B का जो प्रोजेक्शन ट्रांसफर हो रहा है उसे मैं देखूंगा. दिस पॉइंट इज गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड B. In similar manner, I'll be referring projection transfer from C dash. So this is going to be the position for C. I want to have point D position, तो मैं D यहाँ से देखूंगा, उसका projection transfer यहाँ से देखूंगा. This point itself is going to be called D. I want E, then I'll be matching E with E dash, and for F I'll be matching F with F dash. So these are going to be the points, and I need to connect those points. So I'll be connecting A with B, B with C, C with D, D with E, E with F, and F with A. So this is the aligned figure of the plane what we had drafted. Okay. Now if I am going to match that, is it going to match the previous geometry? Look, it is not going to match that previous geometry. Okay, there is a difference due to the alignment what we had offered. Okay, now there is going to be the third task, which is somewhat difficult to understand, but if you are attempting this session you are able to do it. Okay, so now this plane is going to be inclined to vertical plane. So how to derive that inclination? So what we are going to do, the second draft what we have prepared, the second draft is going to be inclined to vertical plane by 45 degrees, and after transferring its projections we are going to achieve some geometry over here. So what we are going to do, the plan view is going to be inclined to the vertical plane by 45 degrees. This plan view is going to be inclined at 45 degrees. How we are generally drafting it, look. So this is the reference on which we are working right now. For the sake of operation, I am just extending the line. Now I am going to take a reference point over here. From that reference point, I am going to have a 45 degrees aligned line over here. Look, this is the reference, this is the 45 degrees line. I'll be constructing a line. What is the angle? Angle is phi 45 degrees. Okay. Now we need to first transfer A and D point on this line. So what are we going to do? We are going to position a point over here which is going to be called A. फिर A से D का आप आर्क ले लीजिए. On compass you have to take the dimension. Transfer that dimension over here. So now this position is going to be the new D. After that you need to transfer other points also. You need to transfer B and F. So you should go for this particular position, linear position, and position it over here. You need to take the second position for point C and E also. So we are taking this much of arc. I'm transferring that arc. Now these are not exactly B point or C point or E point and F point, but on extension of that line being perpendicular to the reference, we are going to have point F and D. So what are we going to do? We are going to place perpendicular lines passing through the reference points what we had indicated. So I am drafting a perpendicular line from here. In similar manner, I am plotting a perpendicular line from here also. And on those lines, I am transferring the projection from here. I am transferring the projections up to F. So from this reference, I am taking dimension up to F. So I am taking it over here. In similar manner, we are going to have same dimension for B also. Why? Because height is not changing. So I'm going to have B and F. And same dimension is going to be there for E and C also. So I'm taking same dimension to mention E and C. You have to make sure that whenever you transfer the projections from here to here, it must not cross the reference line. वो reference line से ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. That care you should take always. Okay. The second way of presenting, let me write those point notations. A, then it is B, then it is C, then it is D. Here is E and here is F. Okay. So if you want F position with different way, then what you should do? You should be making an arc from AF. आप AF जितना रेडियस ले लीजिए और AF का एक आर्क लगा दीजिए. In similar manner, this is the second method through which we can develop the same points. You can take DF distance. ये DF जो है उतना आर्क ले लीजिए, उतना आर्क लेंथ ले लीजिए, and you can make an arc up to F also. It is going to give you same point. Okay. So either you can develop lines and then position BF, CE, or you can go on making arc of AF and DF to get the position of point F. In similar manner, I can, if I want to have point E, then I can make an arc of AE and DE to get the position E. Okay. Now I am joining the points. A is going to be connected with B. B is going to be connected with C. C is going to be connected with D. D is going to be connected with E. E is going to be connected with F, and F is going to be connected with A. So this is the approach what we see when the plane becomes inclined to vertical plane by 45 degrees. Okay. Now I need to transfer those projections in the vertical plane, how it is going to look in vertical plane. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer all those projections in the vertical plane. Okay. So now I am transferring point F, point A, point E, point B, all points you should transfer. So there is no matter about the sequence what you follow to transfer that projections over here, but you need to transfer all points which are available over here in the top view. Now you need to transfer the point positions from here also. From here you should transfer it on this reference. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग scale रख देंगे. Now I'll be transferring this point B and F. I'll be transferring point C and E. I'll be transferring point D. ठीक है. तो हमें जो condition है वो यहाँ पे develop होता मिलेगा. Now what I should do? I should match all those points. Refer. This is the point F. तो f का जो प्रोजेक्शन ऊपर जा रहा है उसके साथ f डैश के प्रोजेक्शंस को मैच करिए. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द पॉइंट f डैश नाउ. For A, if I am referring, it is on reference. So A dash and A is going to meet over here on the reference. I'll be referring point E. So E हमें यहाँ कहीं मिल रहा है. Extension of E and extension of E dash. It is going to be available over here somewhere. ठीक है, ये है point. वैसे ही if I am referring B, तो B dash और B को connect करिए. Here I am going to get that point. For C, I'll be referring it over here somewhere. And for point D, it is going to be available over here. Now I'm going to connect all those points, and after that I'll be mentioning their names also. So A is going to be connected to B, B is going to be connected to C, C is going to be connected to D, D is going to be connected to E, E is going to be connected to F, and F is going to be connected to A. So this is going to be A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, and F dash. So this is the view what we demand exactly. Try to memorize whole concept again. What we had done, we had first drafted the plane in its original condition. Then we have made that plane inclined to horizontal plane by 30 degrees, got its projection in plan. Then we had made that plan inclined to vertical plane by 45 degrees, transferred all points on this reference, and that we had extended its projections from the front view and the top view. We matched those points and we have got the final view. Is it clear?